determined to get this ugly Christmas sweater done. And I think I'm at a good place. I have about 60% of it done, and the only thing I did do is I recorded what I've done so far, so I might include that somewhere in the footage here. But I'm gonna get this ugly Christmas sweater done. Like, it's gonna get done. That's it. I don't have too much else to say. I'm on my way to work today. I have like 5 meetings today, and who invented meetings? I will hopefully not be burned out by the end of today, but we'll see. We'll see. Please keep me in your prayers today, because there are a lot of meetings on my calendar. Y'all, it's like 12 midnight, but we finished it. We finished our sweater. It's all like, I need to weave in some ends, but for the most part, we have an intact sweater. Don't mind all my clothes on the floor, but we have a sweater. Okay, y'all, we got a sweater. We got a real live sweater over here, okay? So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this sweater, because I don't know how to make this ugly, because I put my heart and soul into it. I have this Christmas tree that I bought from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to put her like in the center, maybe. That's all the ideas I have right now. Let's see, what else do I have over here? Okay, I got this tinsel, and what I wanted to do was to put the tinsel around the collar line. This ain't 9 feet. This is not no 9 feet. Should I use the white or should I use the gold? We got these pins. That's another Christmas tree. We'll stick these on at the end, because these are actual pins, so I don't have to do any work to stick them on. I got me some shakers. I got some bows too. Okay, hold on. I'm getting overwhelmed here. I like gold, right? And this is an ugly Christmas sweater. So what I'm gonna do is, I have an idea, and I hope it works. In my mind, it works. What I want to do is take this and like intermingle it so that it's gold and white. So it's like that. And then I'll layer that across the top. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Hey y'all, so I am back home. It's Friday. I am exhausted from this week. We had our company Christmas party. My ugly sweater won second place. I got a gift card, like a Visa gift card, so I am excited. We made this sweater by hand from scratch, and I won second place. The guy that won first place, he had a really good sweater. Now, do I think he deserved first place over someone who handcrafted something? I don't know. I don't know. But I'll take second place. I'll take second place. I'm taking a break. We're doing self-care for the rest of the day because I am tired. I have put in a lot of hours on this sweater, and I'm tired. Oh, y'all see my earrings? Also, these are my earrings from Michael's, and my bracelets. You see my ice? You see my ice? It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work for this ugly Christmas sweater. This tinsel is getting caught all in this crochet here. Look. See, look. I have to go take this off. but yeah, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.